How's it going, guys? I was looking at Game Jolt and I found this interesting game called SHeePhErd PiE. I don't know too much about it yet, but I heard some good things online about it, so I wanted to give it a try. See what it's about. You are now part of the Shadow Government Operatives, SGO, Test the Vacation Flight Sim. Objective, kill sheep. Okay. Let's try it out. I'm a sheep already. I'm a sniper, dude. Kill 5. Kill 5. No, I assuming I can find some around here. Where are those woolly jerks at? This kind of looks like the hardest part of the game, finding the actual things. I'm kind of nasty with the clicks. I can't miss. It's like I'm in a forest. Pretty barren. Is the government that having me kill the sheep? I wonder. Where are these little woolly? Really shoot. Kind of looks like a sheep and a tiny sheep at the sheep. Is there even any sheep? Oh, found one. Oh, I got 2. Oh, get clipped. Kind of ad dog. Alright, how many got left? 2 more. Alright, 2 and 5. Oh, wow. Oh, finally. Crazy, no? This must be their crib. They got a little community over in this circle. Alright, 1 more to go. Still no idlers. Oh, wow. Oh, there's more. Oh my god, she's slippery. Oh my gosh.
Right.
What the heck?
I'm at the beating all of work building the trades. Well, take confined to the full over your eyes with the shadow government arcade. Our expletive new approach will blow your mind and reveal the truth like never before.
Don't be a sheep.
Carried the asterisk bit. The second carried has the carried asterisk bit the set.
Alright, next level. Typical map, 10 people still. Oh, I have an item now, what the heck? I'm gonna wait a little bit to use it. See if I can find those slippery little sheep. Oh, 3 got. Oh, predicted that. Let's get 10 on the technique. If I don't find it in the next 10 seconds, I'll use an item. Up behind. 2 of them. Got a combo kill right here. Oh, glad. Okay. What if it's a one-time use? 5 more. Can't use the item. Oh, we're kissing. Whoa! What the heck? Keep the PJ on the wall. I knew that was a good shot. As soon as I clicked, I knew that was it. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're all right here. This is 10, right? Oh my god, he's quick. Oh my gosh, she's juking me.
CTK could silence us, but they were wrong. The shadow government took everything from me, the family, my future.
Oh my gosh, who is this
But I
shadow government?
join me in uncovering the truth, fighting back against those who hide the darkness. Together, we can bring light to the sinister ways and reclaim what is rightfully ours. Stand with me and let
Gosh, what the heck did they do?
go attention.
Evil ass organization. SHeePhErd? Alright, well, I got it figured out, and what the heck is going on? So the last thing we saw was a different main menu screen with SHeePhErd. Looks like this game's got a dark undertone, red background. Still shoot the same. What the heck is that? Dead sheep? Kill 5 sheep, find me? Okay. Man, whatever the shadow government doing doesn't look good for the sheep. And these sheep are just peaceful creatures. They're too stupid to know what's going on. The shadow government looks like they're killing them and massacring them. Oh, that was a good shot. And it looks like the end of the world right there. There's another one. Okay. What is going on? This is creepy as hell. Who are the 6? If we're kind of grouped together last time, I'm going to go back down. I feel like they're going to be around here. Oh, there they are. Still got that creepy dead sheep in my items. So that's 3 out of 6. I don't know, can you find me thing? Maybe there's like a different creature. Can't go any higher. Seems like they kind of group towards the middle. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh my god, I swear I hit him. He's quick. There we go. Alright, should be 4 out of 6. Oh, that's 5. Okay, I'm just counting. Alright, just 1 more to go. Where is he? Oh, there we go. Last one. Am I the shadow government? Am I killing sheeps? I thought we were trying to get away from the shadow government. Why am I massacring sheeps?
I found you. I found you. I found you.
Vicky found me.
You may have thought you were lost, but here I am, right where you need me. John Jones, I found you. Hang out, you can find everything you've been searching for. So, let's not waste any more time. I'm fed up here.
What the heck? What in the world? Oh, I don't like that. That's creepy. What in the vivid dream? All right, I'm clicking next level. I don't want to see that anymore. All right. I mean, I think that was it. That is going to give me nightmares, but let me know what you guys think. That is creepy as well.
Wow. No, got it.
I can't swear, right?
No swearing.
That's going to be hard for me. It's like in my regular vocab, but...
The vocabulary you can use is damn, shit.
Really? I can say
I
that?
can say that.
Why?
And you get like one that's like fuck. That's it. You only get one.
Okay, well, you're giving me a lot of fucking... Yeah, I didn't think I could say all that shit.
Alright, dude, good. You're playing. Ready, set, action.
What's going on, guys? I was just looking online and I found this game. It's called SHeePhErd PiE. You know, it looked interesting. Saw some crazy comments on Reddit and some other YouTube channels, so I thought I'd give it a try. Have no idea what it's about. It doesn't look like it's working, chat. Hey, chat.
Buddy.
All right, chat. I think I'm gonna log off now.
What the fuck? Alright, hold on.